The crackling of Fritons de Canard, as they call in France, they are so easy to make. In essence, after you cut your duck or goose, you start cutting the skin in little pieces. And then in a very hot pot, high heat, you add about 3/4 cup of water because you don't need a lot of water. And then you start putting the fat in the pot. Now I do have a technique. I don't just dump all the fat there. I just put it individually so they don't stick together. And just put it there. That's simple. As you put it there, you're going to notice that eventually they're going to kind of stick together. So you grab a spoon and you start moving it around. Keep the heat high for like 3 or 4 minutes. And then after that, you lower it to a notch below medium. You can leave it at medium if you want to, but I put it a notch below. And start cooking. Then you grab a tongue and move them around a little bit just to keep them from sticking together. Now you don't have to do this the entire time because you're cooking it at this heat for around 15 minutes. You just do it occasionally. You don't have to be there constantly. And this is how it's going to look for after 15 minutes. And that is in addition to the 5 minutes that you did at a high heat. So it's a total of 20 minutes. So you move them around a little bit, and because you're about to lower the heat to medium low or even low. And that's going to be the last stage. It might be a few more minutes at that heat. Certainly no more than 10. You're going to do this until they're kind of golden and dark and pretty. And you will know when you look at them. And once you do that, you have your strainer ready and a container, because this is a very, very hot grease, so you have to be careful. And you start then moving the fat into the strainer. You do that, make sure you turn the heat off, of course, and start moving in there so they can strain and the grease, go out the fat. And that pretty much it. Let them sit there for a little bit and then let them cool before you put them in a little bag. You might want to add some salt, and here you have it. Now it's time to impress your friends.